So here we are. I'm going to show you guys how we're doing drywall. So this is the drywall that's been hanging on the ceiling. As you guys see, drywall hang screws, and this is the process of doing drywall, hanging drywall. After you hang the drywall, you tape it. So this is the process of taping. So you're taping all the screws, and this is the way it looks. This is a taping process. And then after you tape it, you are skin coating it. This is exactly what the guy is doing right now. Mixing the material and applying to the walls to make them smooth and ready for new texture. Everything is nice and smooth and need to get dry. After it's dry, it basically looks like this, nice and smooth and ready for texture. Or whoever likes the smooth look, then it's ready for primer and paint. And if whoever likes the texture look, then it will get textured, primed, and paint. So see you guys next time with more information about other trades.